Today we're here with Koji Yakamoto from Viavi Solutions to talk about converged networks. How you doing, Koji?
Good, nice to see you, Jimmy.
Good to see you. So tell me about work Viavi is doing to help with converged networks.
Yeah, I think converged networks could have multiple implications to different, let's say, part of the work group within the customer base. So let's start with like a home. I think the home technician now, and we call premise techs, needs to be able to do both jobs, type of coax job as well as the fiber type of jobs. And one of the challenges, a lot of the technicians are coming from the RF background or the coax-based background, so we have to help them transition to the fiber and get ready for more FTTH as well as small medium businesses and so on.
Does this converged network end at the home, or does it start somewhere before that?
No, I think it's going to also apply to some of the core, the access part of the network as well. We see quite a bit of digitization of the network, and cable use a lot of DWDM networks. So we're seeing the MUX, DMUX, and new way to verify those kind of network, which is different than analog, type network. So I think it's that another transition that we have to help them with the maintenance technician world.
Do we go from there to the central office?
Yes. I think also the central office has a similar type of challenges. In the past, head-end engineers really didn't have to be concerned too much about the fiber network and digitization of the network from the head-end down to the node or RPD, but now you do, and you have to have a different way to have a troubleshooting processes and verification processes, and also even sometimes construction processes.
In the construction ecosystem or with contractors, how does Viavi help there?
It's a good question. It's tough to have a control over something you don't own. But this is true from even the home technician to the maintenance techs we talked about, and then even construction side, is have ability to have visibility into the process compliance. Because as a company, I think you have, let's say, hey, you need to take the step 1, 2, and 3. But how do you know if the actual technicians and people who construct the network are following that process? So we have created this automation. We use it, test process automations, and ability to send different type of job and specific parameters to the test set, so that you don't have to worry about technician configuring the tools with the very detailed parameters. So that's one, to reduce the mistakes and consistency of the right parameter being used. But as importantly, the results comes back, and as a management team or area manager or executive has to know, hey, how am I doing? From a process compliance perspective, like, hey, how much % of the time is passing, failing, what part of the network is doing better or worse, or it could be this contractor A versus contractor B, so you could, that visibility help them manage the overall work group, as well as targeting certain area that may not be making as much progress. So.
Great. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
If you'd like more information, please see ViaviSolutions.com.